Have you ever wanted to create a multi-level drop-down menu but felt overwhelmed by the complexity? You're not alone. Today, we're going to simplify that process and show you how to make a multi-level drop-down menu using the select and option method. I totally get it. Trying to implement a drop-down menu can be frustrating, especially when you want it to be user-friendly and organized. Many people struggle with this, and it can feel like a daunting task. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I make a multi-level drop-down menu using the select and option method? If you've been wondering the same thing, you're in the right place. So, what exactly is a multi-level drop-down menu? It's a way to organize options in a hierarchical structure, making it easier for users to navigate through choices. We'll break it down step by step so you can create one yourself. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a bonus tip that will help you enhance your drop-down menu even further. To create a multi-level drop-down menu using the select and option method, the user should start by defining the main select element. This will serve as the primary drop-down. Next, the user should add options for the first level of categories. Each option will represent a different category, such as SSC, Gate, Bankbo, and Railway. Now, to implement the multi-level functionality, the user needs to use JavaScript. This will allow the drop-down to change based on the selection of the first drop-down. Finally, the user should create the second drop-down that will display options based on the selection made in the first drop-down. This will enhance the user experience. Fun fact, did you know that the first drop-down menus were created in the early 1990s? They were a game changer for web navigation. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user points out that you can't create multi-level drop-downs using the select element. Instead, they suggest creating a custom component that can display hierarchical options. Alternatively, they offer a simple trick using indentation in the options. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative approach to creating a multi-level drop-down menu is to use the opt group element within a single select. This method allows for grouping related options, although it may not be fully multi-level. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. This user points out that you can't create multiple levels with the select element. However, they offer an alternative using opt groups to categorize options. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Consider adding icons next to your options to make them visually appealing and easier to understand. This small touch can greatly enhance user experience. And there you have it. You've learned how to create a multi-level drop-down menu using the select and option method. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.